Good morning from Vincennes, Indiana, and I am leaving my little primitive campsite. Actually did pretty well. I think I actually slept. There was like no wind, and I was able to use electricity from an adjacent RV site. So I got my batteries charged up. Only thing is, there were hangers for food, for trash, I think. And I hung most of my food, but I forgot that I had a couple of bananas and an apple in a cooler bag behind the seat on my trike. Of course, raccoons found them. There was a big mess. They like ate them on my trike, so there was quite a big mess. But otherwise I did great. Nice campground. If only the sites were a little bit more level, I think that would have been great. So now I am headed back out the way I came, and I'm going east close to a little town called Myrtle and a campground called Myrtle. So, all right, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Yeah, it's just a great ride out here. Farm roads in southern Indiana. Yeah, here comes big farm equipment. It's planting season, so they're moving a lot of equipment from field to field. That was fun to hear him. He gave me a nice honk. So fun. Love the farmers. So I've seen these platforms a few times. Stairs going up to them. Looks like there's a lot of electrical equipment, but I have no idea what they're for. And there always seems to be a series of them. And you can see there's more down below. Yeah, be interested to know. Maybe somebody can tell me. Coming into the town of Washington. Washington, Indiana. Yeah, look at these beautiful dogwoods. Amazing. Yeah, oh my gosh, and another like super smooth road. Oh my God, these roads are amazing. Thank you, Indiana. Oh, look how sweet. Mama with her baby nursing. Hi. Hi, little cutie pie. This is not a good road for me to be on. I'm going to turn around and go back to the road I was on. And it seems like I'm in an Amish community here. Yeah, we got a buggy here, horse waiting. Horse waiting to go out. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Wow, look at these birdhouses. Are these like condominiums? Maybe birdominiums. Yeah, lots of birds. Wow, look at this beautiful barn. All weathered and worn. Still in use. Gosh, so green. Just a fabulous day out here. So I pulled into an IGA in Lugety, Indiana. It's been just a beautiful day, and turns out I'm in Amish buggy parking. I sure hope nobody needs it while I'm here. I'm picking up some supplies. I'm going to be camping in a primitive campground tonight. There's not going to be any services or electricity, and I saw a couple outlets. I don't really need it, but I thought, oh, why not just top off my electric assist battery, and I have an external battery bank that I'm charging up to. And while I was pulling in, I saw this liquid on the ground, thinking it's, water from the plants. And then it occurred to me, no, it's horse urine from an Amish buggy. So I'm on a road with Amish. Hey, hey, you guys, how are you? Yeah. Oh, how fun. I love the Amish. I love the Amish farming. Oh my God, you guys are so awesome. Hi there. How's everybody? Are you having a good day? Oh my God, that is so awesome, you guys. So great. Fly across this bridge. Historic Max Ramsey Memorial. Oh yeah. Maybe this is the Wabash. Beautiful, right? Yeah, beautiful road here. Okay, wow, that was a heck of a hill to get here. Good 12%. Oh, there's a kiosk. Okay. Oh, 13 a night. Yeah, great. It's so unfortunate when they do that because, like, who carries $13? I have cash. We'll see what I got. All right, let's get checked in. All right, so I did have $13. I got myself checked in. Martin State Forest Campground. It's beautiful here. Kind of an odd campground because there is no water. I knew it was going to be primitive. I didn't expect any electricity. I'm all ready and set up for that. But I really did expect water, and I only came with a couple of liters, which is probably enough. There's been some people coming by. There's a couple of hiking trails. So I've asked people to for water, and a man came by, a local guy. He actually went to the store for me and bought a gallon of water for me. Isn't that just the nicest thing? Didn't want any money for it or anything. He just dropped it off. I didn't even get his name. And so I feel a lot better because now, you know, there's no shower or anything. So I need to have enough water so that I can wash off and clean up after cooking and feel like I have enough drinking water as well. Today's ride was absolutely gorgeous. 55 miles, over 2,000 feet of climbing, maybe as much as almost 3,000 feet of climbing. I had some 12% grades, which I think is just going to get me ready for those hills in Pennsylvania. A lot of the ride today was through Amish communities. Oh my gosh, these farms are just so beautiful. The whole area was very prosperous. There were Mennonite communities. The road surface was so smooth and just undulating hills. I think the temperature got to, for sure, 75 degrees. So, all right, you guys, welcome to Martin State Forest Campground near Shoals, Indiana.